Hello students, today we will study the equations of the straight lines. This is the chapter very important, contains around about 7 to 10 marks in your examination. Now we will start. First we should know that what is the slope. Slope वही होता है जो आप लोग घर में मोटरसाइकिल वगैरह चलाने के लिए रैंप बनाते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो क्या होता है वो एक्चुअली में अगर हम एक स्ट्रेट लाइन कंसिडर करें सड़क को, तो उस पर कुछ एंगल थीटा के साथ एक लाइन जाती है जिसे हम इंक्लिनेशन बोलते हैं, कुछ थीटा बनता है। उस थीटा का जो ग्रेडियंट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्लोप। अब हम स्लोप के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं। स्लोप एवरी लाइन थीटा इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द angle of that line with the positive x-axis, not the negative x-axis. Towards the positive x-axis, it will make the angle theta, and this slope of the line that is called m is called tan theta. Tangent of that theta is called the slope. ठीक है। नंबर 1, if theta is given. Second, if 2 points are given, if 2 points just like x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given. हम लोगों ने 2 पॉइंट गिवन है कि भाई उस लाइन का स्लोप फाइंड आउट करना है। जैसे कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस है हमारे पास है a और b, तो इसके कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 है, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट x2 y2 है। तो इसका स्लोप क्या होगा पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस के साथ? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट m इक्वल्स टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1। सेम just like third, if we are having the equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then we have to convert this equation in the form y equals to mx plus c. That equation, that form of the equation is called in y intercept form. And just like by equals to minus ax minus c and y equals to minus a upon bx minus c upon b, where this is m. Compare the equation y equals to mx plus c with it. Okay, then m equals to minus a upon b और c की वैल्यू द कांस्टेंट टर्म लेफ्ट। यहाँ से हम देंगे m क्या है हमारे पास, m equals to minus कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x divided by coefficient of y. This is all about the these are the formula to find out the slope. Okay, we are taking the question just like if the angle is given, theta is given 45 degree, we are considering theta equals to 45 degree, then slope equals to what? Slope equals to m tangent theta, and tan theta is given 45 degree, or tan 45 degree having the value equals to 1. If it is 30 degree, if theta equals to 30 degree, then what it will be? M equals to tangent 30 degree. Okay, tan 30 equals to किसके इक्वल होता है 1 upon root 3. This is how we can find out the slope by the theta. If we are having the equation just like consider we are having the 2 points just like a point we are having 2 minus 3 and b we are having 0 5. Okay, now what to do? M of the line which joins these 2 points, the slope of that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is y2 is 5 plus 3 upon 0 minus 2, that is 8 upon minus 2, m equals to minus 4. Okay, if we are having the Okay, it will be minus 2 upon 5. That is m we can find out by these three ways. If theta is given, if 2 point is given, if line is given, also we can find out the tangent theta, and that is called the m slope of the given line. Okay, this is all about the slope. Now we are moving on to the equations of the line. We are moving on to the equations of line. Equations of line, we will just like in first, if slope m and one point x1 y1 is given, it is called 1 point form. That is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. If we are having the if two points x1 y1 and x2 y2 are given, then we use 2-point form of equation. This is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 upon x minus x1. Then third one, if we are given with if slope m and y intercept is given, then this is the intercept form, y intercept form, and this equation equals to y equals to mx plus c. If we put simple the value of this in the given formula, we can find out the equation. Just like I am taking the question, ये कह रहा है कि find the equation of the line passing through the point and making an intercept 3 on the y-axis. Question is find equation of the line passing through the point (2 minus 5) and making an intercept of minus 3 on y-axis. ठीक है, one point we are having, just like you can see, one point is this, given x1 y1 equals to 2 minus 5. Okay, and x2 y2 we also are having. ये कह रहा है कि y intercept is 3, that means x is 0. Okay, then 2 points are there. Now we will use y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is plus, it will be just like this, minus 5 equals to y2 is how much? Minus 3, and it is minus 5 upon how much? this, what it will be? Y plus 5 equals to how much it is? 2. 2 upon minus 2. This is x minus 2. So y plus 5 equals to minus x plus 2. Transfer this into the another side. X plus y plus 5 minus 2 equals to 0. X plus y plus 3 equals to 0. Okay student, this is very simple question. Based on this, more questions we will do in the next exercise, next session, or in the next video we will discuss about the more questions on based on this.